Okay, so in here, I have 3/4 of a cup. We're doing the brown butter one again. 3/4 of a cup of brown butter. I already browned it. And I'm going to mix that with 1 cup of dark brown sugar and 1/3 of a cup of white sugar. I had to look at that. And we're going to cream those together. Here's all the ingredients. Next, I'm going to put in 1 egg and 1 egg yolk, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, 1/2 teaspoon of salt. This is Celtic salt. I don't know. It's what Danny had here, so I used it. 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, 3/4 of a cup of espresso powder, and 1 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour. Okay, so we're going to cream this together. I'm going to throw in the egg and the egg yolk. Ooh, messy there. Vanilla. You know me, I always go over on the vanilla, right? In a separate bowl, mix together the flour. So I'm going to combine all these. Okay. We're going to make sure this is all combined. I'm excited to taste this. I don't think I've ever made a cookie yet with espresso powder, have I? No. We're going to pair this with an espresso martini.
Now, Tori likes to throw in the eggshells in the plate sometimes. Are you not supposed to do that?
She just gets a little nervous. She is getting a lot better. She's thrown these in on accident and a couple of eggshells. Give her a break. We love her, don't we? So, best way to do your flour, I didn't put my little cage on because we know what happens, right, Bill? Mm-hmm. Let me put the rest of it in there. This is the awkward part. We need to create something that is tubular. And it says you can use like dark chocolate and chunk it up. I'm using dark chocolate chips. And it says to use 4 ounces. I think this is a little bit more because Danny always tells me I don't put enough chocolate chips in. So we're going to put these in.
He just always complains.
He just always complains. Okay. And that's the dough for this. Oh my God, haven't I gotten like more quick with my cookie making experience?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm going to scoop them out. When we come back, we're going to put them in the oven, and we're going to put them in the oven on 350. And we're going to cook them for 11 minutes. Everything's 11 minutes mostly with cookies, right? So I'm going to scoop them out. We're going to put them in the oven, and then I'm going to do an espresso martini. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe.